We can all agree that the crypto market has gone absolutely insane, and we are seeing some very nice moves from Luna Classic. So we are going to discuss exactly what I think is going on in this market. So look at this. Today's cryptocurrency prices by market cap at 4.77% increase on the day. $2.5 trillion market cap. Absolutely insane. I remember making videos at 1 trillion and below. Congratulations if you are still here, tuning into videos each and every day, researching, absolutely smashing it. I bet you're sitting on a fat cryptocurrency bag. We see Bitcoin today sitting at 20% gain on the week, Ethereum 14.5% on the week, and altcoins, some of them, like the meme coins, have gone absolutely crazy, but for the most part, haven't seen gains like Bitcoin has seen. Now, if you are looking to trade this market, I do have up to $40,000 worth of bonuses with the exchanges that I personally use. The opportunity we have right now is insane. I turned $34 into over $2,000 with this trade. I will go over that a little bit later in the video. But if you do want to trade and you know how to use leverage, I suggest using the links down there in my description. And if you do want to be alerted before we get big moves in this market, you can see here, I've developed an algorithm called HG Algo. This is my team, myself, a bunch of other influencers. We kind of wanted to create this algorithm to mimic the way we trade in this market. So we can see here, Luna Classic, bullish momentum just before it came in, pumping the price around 80% here. So if you do follow the link to HG Algo down there in the description, you can read more about how this works. But it basically gives you bullish momentum and bearish momentum, but also DCA, so dollar cost averaging signals here, because myself and my friends and team, we really do think that DCA is one of the best opportunities out there, and this will give you both of those things. So if you want to check these out, the links are down there in the description. We have seen Luna Classic up 4.49% today. On the week, 44%. So Luna Classic is actually outperforming the rest of the market, which is very nice again to finally see. We see the 24-hour volume here at 345 million as well, with the market cap sitting at just above a billion. So we're at about 35% of the market cap for daily volume, which is very impressive. And on the month, we can see we have been going upwards. So if you've been accumulating Luna Classic down here, congratulations. Of course, like I've said many times on the channel, I think that it's important to take profits when we see these sorts of pumps. It can just be something like a 10% profit, so you can buy more if it collapses, or you can simply hold it. It's up to you guys, but that's what I would be doing if I held a significant position in Luna Classic. Personally, I haven't taken any profits from the bag that I've had since we took the mega profits. Remember, we had a big run up. I don't think it was this one. It was before that. We had a very big run up, and I did take some profits there, but we can't see on the chart because it still has the original Luna there. But I did take some profits, and I haven't taken anything since then. But the overall market is showing us some very interesting things. We have three big things happening right now. So there is OTC desks actually drying up. If you aren't aware of what this is basically where the ETFs get their Bitcoin, all right? And they are drying up like insanely. The price of Bitcoin going up, ETFs drying. We can see the OTC desk in the yellow here. The liquidity on those desks is going down. Supply and demand pressure is building, and this could send Bitcoin parabolic because they may have to start to buy on the open market. We also have rumor of Qatar buying $3 billion of Bitcoin. Now, we've spoken about this on the channel before, but there are some internet sleuths that believe they've figured out that this pump here for Bitcoin actually came because the Emir of Qatar met the president of El Salvador. We can see him arriving in his jet here. He also was seen, the private jet was seen at Madeira Airport just a day after sailors talk at Bitcoin Atlantis. And then, of course, just after that, we see the price of Bitcoin absolutely rally. So on top of that, we have Michael Saylor figuring out basically a glitch in the matrix where he can issue convertible senior notes denoted in US dollar, a currency that is designed to lose value over time. Buy then with that money, buy the world's scarcest asset, wait for the US dollar to lose its value against Bitcoin, and then issue more convertible senior notes, buy more Bitcoin, and then rinse and repeat. Yesterday, MicroStrategy actually surged 23% in one day, boasting its year-to-date increase of 92%, a staggering 435% growth over the past year. MicroStrategy holds 193 Bitcoin. So what's interesting about this is not so much MicroStrategy itself, but the fact that other companies that are cash flow positive can repeat this. Loads of companies are now seeing the fruits of Michael Saylor's labor, and they may repeat this process. If that happens, again, much more buying of Bitcoin, adding to the fact that the OTC desks are running out here. Okay, so more recipe for huge things. Now, MicroStrategy is set to raise $600 million more to buy more Bitcoin. Like insane. Now, we also have BlackRock filing the SEC to purchase Bitcoin ETFs for its Strategic Income Opportunities portfolio. So essentially, they are going to be buying more Bitcoin, right? According to BlackRock, the Strategic Income Opportunity Fund is a flexible bond strategy that seeks to offer investors attractive income, returns, and meaningful portfolio diversification. Furthermore, the SIO specializes in preservation of capital, with its boost coming from prospective new Bitcoin ETFs. BlackRock hopes to make the fund a stronger product for its clients. So they're waiting for the SEC to approve this. It essentially approve them to buy even more ETFs. So not just buy the Bitcoin for the ETFs, but actually buy the ETFs themselves. More buy pressure on the ETFs, more buy pressure on Bitcoin, equals number go up. It's just that, like, the recipe that we're having right now is insane. But I do want to remind you that we are again having these sorts of articles. All right. Whiff Trader turned $650 into 4.1 million. Okay. We're back here. We're back in meme coin mania, and meme coin mania can signal the top of the market. All right, guys. So if it is the top of the market, please be prepared. But with meme coins come huge opportunities. We can see here Dogecoin unrealized profit $1,445 with a margin of $17. I actually started this trade with $34. I cashed out $500 here, and now I have $17 left in this trade. So $34 into about $2,000. That is the opportunity if you learn how to use leverage properly. There is a link down there in my description to all of the exchanges that I use and a video breaking down this trade. If you guys do want to check that out, up to $40,000 worth of deposit bonuses waiting for you right now. With that said, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.